oil sensor switch in this 2007 Chevy Malibu, the 3.5 liter V6. I've disconnected the battery. I'll show you where it's at. So it's located right there on top of the oil filter. Right there it is. And there's your starter right there. And I disconnected the wire pigtail coming from the back of the starter. Also disconnected the wire going to the oil pressure sensor. So, and I can get a socket on it. I got the oil pressure sensor socket. And I get it on there, and I have two extensions, two little, I don't know what size they are, 4-inch extensions. And then I got a flexible ratchet, and I'm able to get it on there, and I think I can get it off. So there's what I got. There's my socket. It's at kind of an angle anyway, so I think I'm getting it. Got the old one out, and I already threaded in the new one. Wasn't too bad. There's the new one up in there. Now I just gotta connect those two wires. Connect the wire to the oil sensor and the wire to the starter, and it's done. Only took about 15 minutes.